I don't know what else we can do that doesn't require like scheduling other people, you know?
Yeah, I don't know.
Because like we would need to know other people's like timing and such.
Yeah, I kind of don't know how to make a film.
Yeah, we kind of don't know what we're doing.
So this is the camera that's gonna film the entire thesis.
Yep.
Looks a little goofy, but as long as we have a movie at the end of this. Where the fuck we park?
You could back in. We survived Sam driving the grip truck.
Yeah.
Oh.
Does that have the effect?
Let me see. Like, move it. Oh, it's good.
We're good?
Yeah, you should honestly. Oh.
I forgot NDs because I didn't know we were shooting out here, so.
We have time.
You think it'll be?
Go get an ND. Actually, I don't know. We have about 10 minutes until they're gonna be back here. Help him, your sister.
Oh, cause you... What's it called? As
The bug.
I could crush you right now. You hear me?
Okay, let me start from my spawning point. I'm nervous.
This mic is interesting.
Put it in frame. All right. Camera's rolling.
Yep.
Scene 12.1. Take 1.
Okay. Is the wind bad?
Yeah, I think it's synced.
6, 3,
Yes.
4,
Yes.
5,
Yes.
6,
Yes.
8.
It's synced.
Okay.
Certified photos.
So I feel like I've seen you do this in every single.
Don't mind me. I just feel flashes. So this is bouncing because
Yeah,
this is.
one's from the
Oh, that's me.
The scene they go like this. They're like.
Oh, I'm
and they
kind of
stop
blocking
here.
the lighting.
They'll stop here and then peek in like.
What are they whispering about, type beat? But yeah,
Kind of proud of this one. Cook.
Just talk. Like do this run through the
Can I
lines.
hold this up like this and you don't see?
Yeah, I can't see that.
Does that eat? Sorry.
We ate.
I shouldn't have talked.
No, I mean that was good.
Sound.
Zeding.
Scene 16.1. Take 2.
Are you good?
Yep.
And action.
Mom? Dad?
Beautiful. Now we're filming with that right there. We're filming inside of this camera that's live right now.
That's crazy.
Camera section.
Malachi needs room tone on mine to you camera.
Nova's crib. Room tone.
Amaia's kitchen.
Maya's kitchen. Room tone.
I'm watching baseball.
Baseball.
I got it. That's first baseman right there. Yo! That was even cooler than what I was gonna do.
Also, what are we waiting on?
I think we're just on our way back from set.
What the fuck?
Javad is AC right now. He's being a grip.
He is gripping hard.
Yeah. Almost there.
We got the open road behind you.
Hope we don't get rear-ended. That'd be pretty bad.
Say like, I'm right here.
I think that video that little red one.
Oh my god, we're safe.
We made it.
We made it.
Yay.
One piece. W Uber.
I was recording in case it was Javad's last moments alive.
Yeah.
That was found footage right there. I like that. I like the thinking.
Are we ready?
Yep. I just heard the woo.
One more because we got to be on schedule.
Yeah.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
No, my bad, guys. Uh-oh. She's in shock.
I still skip it.
Oh.
Yeah. For the camcorder.
To be there.
Back.
Scram!
Cut.
She's got me nervous staring at me. I was like, start the script. Oh, no, at the beginning.
Alright. Yeah, no, we're about to do it.
This is our setup.
Yeah.
Thesis maker.
Where's the box, Kyle?
really dropped
This is really starting to look like a football.
Yeah, right now.
It's recording. You can fix yourself first if you want to.
Period.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
We did it. Oh. We did it. I'll get a fish.
My bad.
Roll it back, guys.
Don't know where this came from.
Fly away.
There's some cows.
She's running.
She's like, please let me go home.
I think I'm gonna eat shit. I put this before I eat shit if I eat shit in the video.
He's gone, bro. Oh.
How did it go?
It went crazy.
How was the footage in this camera?
Footage in this camera was good.
In the camera.